Hello guys, today we will do an unboxing of Waldent Ultrawave Maxpiezo 4 LED scaler. So let's get started. After opening the box, we find a well packaged scaler unit. So first of all we get some documentation, and then we get a power cable and water pipeline, scalar cable with foot control which is very clicky, and some accessories like chuck to remove the scalar tips, and three-way splitter, and at the end main scalar unit, and 5 free tips provided to us with this scalar, which are pretty decent, and in the end scalar handpiece. If you like to see the demo of how this LED scaler works, please write in comments and please subscribe.